everybody, my name is Liz. I had to think. I'm gonna do that over. Hi everybody, welcome to Homegrown Homestead. My name is Liz, if you haven't been here before. I've been trying this one contact in my left eye so I can see far, because I don't need glasses or contacts to read, and my equilibrium, hi Maggie, my equilibrium is a little off. It's like getting me a little nauseous. So I haven't quite mastered that yet, but it's kind of working. You know, I kind of squint depending on what I need to do. Yes, Maggie. Hi. Yeah. I'm going to make very basic cream cheese frosting. I have my cinnamon rolls are rising. They're rising. Maybe I shouldn't talk because then she won't. Okay, I'm just going to show you. Okay, so this is really simple. 1 cup of butter. Not 1 cup, 1 stick. It's half a cup. Oh, yep. I am going to, where'd it go? Where'd it go? Hold on. Maggie, what did I do with it? Really? I really don't know where my is. Well, this really isn't the one I wanted to use, but it's the one I can find right now. What in the world did I do with it? I don't know. So, I'm gonna really whip this up. This was frozen. So what's also nice about doing this recipe, I had everything. You know, when cream cheese goes on sale, you can freeze it. So I just buy a bunch. Whatever the limit is, that's what I get. And then I might go back multiple times if it's that good of a deal. Okay, so now I'm going to beat that up. Cream cheese, delicious. I gotta scrape this. What, Maggie? And a little bit of vanilla. A little bit. My homemade vanilla is not ready. So luckily I have this. Like a teaspoon. Ah, smells good. And then I'm going to start with 2 cups of powdered sugar. This makes a lot. I'm only putting this on cinnamon rolls that I have rising, but you can keep this in the fridge. That's half. This is actually, I'm going to make a peanut butter pie. This is almost identical. You just add peanut butter. Come on. 3. I'm going to start with that. You can always add more. And if it's too soft, add more. If it's too hard, add a little bit of milk. I'm going to go slow at first. Gotta scrape it once in a while. Get the powdered sugar that's stuck to the sides and whatever Because some of these bowls that come with your KitchenAid, they're like too long. So I got to make sure I scrape the bottom. Looking good. Tastes good, whatever's on my finger. Yeah, I don't think I need any more sugar. I'm gonna turn it up. I think this is just perfect, to be honest with you. It's perfect. I'm not changing a thing. I'm not adding anything else. And when I tasted it off my finger, it's perfect. So what I'm going to do is my cinnamon rolls aren't ready. So I said you could save this, and you can't. I always unplug it when I'm done. You never know. Let's get that out of the way. This out of the way. Oh, see? It's perfect. And then I'm just going to put this in the fridge until I need it. If you keep it in the fridge, this will easily last a week. Easily. And it probably can last even more. It's butter, cream cheese, vanilla, and powdered sugar. I mean, how long does butter last in your fridge? Quite a while. How long does cream cheese last in your fridge? It's still quite a while. Okay. Hate to use my finger again, even though it would taste delicious. But this is also, I'm going to show you how I make my peanut butter pie. I'm waiting for more cream cheese to thaw. I already did a loaf of bread. House smells great. That's perfect. All right, and then you just cover it and put it in the fridge. That's it. And yes, I'm gonna clean that off. Thank you for watching. I've been wanting to order, to fill my pantry, cream cheese frosting for the basement, but after making this, and then the cost of cream cheese when it's on sale, and powdered sugar and butter, and how fast and easy it was, I'm not going to order cream cheese frosting for my pantry. I'm just going to make it. So thanks for watching, and I want you to have a great day. And I just keep seeing the amount of birds we're getting because it just won't stop snowing here. And like a lot of people in the country right now, it is so cold outside. I don't want to go out and get rid of the snow like 5 times in a day. We just kind of wait till it stops, So stay warm and have a blessed day. Thank you for watching.